Okay, starting with the green power switch on the left hand side of the display. Switch that on, wait for the control unit to boot up, and then press the start button on the far left. Okay, that starts the engine. Now we can turn the engine off by pressing the same button. And to adjust the temperature to a different temperature, we press the temperature button, which is the third one from the left, and then we press it again. Then we adjust the temperature to the required temperature by pressing the up down arrows on there. Then we confirm it by pressing the save button at the second left. Then we press menu to return to the menu, and then we can see in the display that the specified temperature is 0 and the actual temperature is 9.1. That is the temperature we're at present. And again, to start the engine, press the far left button, and then it will start. And also, if we're driving in the city and we want a slightly lower RPM, we press the high-low button, which reduces the engine RPM or increases it, whichever way you want to go. And that will reduce it to the city level. And to turn it off when we're not in use, press the power button on the far left to off, and that's it.